Okay, we got a Cessna over Fisk right now. Make a left turn. Tower's shutting us down. Kennard, you may make a left turn as well. There's another Cessna. Make a left turn. Everybody's got to go back to Ripon. Fly 2 miles west of Fisk and then rejoin at Ripon. We're going to try again. Easy turn left. Easy turn left now. Easy turn left now. Too many airplanes. Kennard, turn left. We only have one runway, so we just can't take that many.
Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Alright, tell you what, how about Kennard, you can follow railroad tracks on runway 9, Tower 18.5. 2 Cessnas over Fisk now, make a left turn. Both Cessnas make a left turn. High wing, offset, right of the tracks, turn left. There's no space for you to beam another aircraft. It's just not going to work. Looks like there's another low wing up high, retractable, turn left. There's also another low wing down at 1800, rock your wings. Thank you for the rock, and why don't you follow the, okay, the one that wigwags up high, turn left, go westbound. The one that rocked your wings, follow railroad tracks up to runway 9. There's another one, another low wing approaching.
Wind check.
Wind is 060 at 12, gust 17. The performer on the downwind, you're going to follow Kennard, about a half-mile final. Nice job, VTAL. That'll be on the white dot for me. Everybody exit land will be a left turn into the grass, spin, roll smooth, follow the flagman. And Kennard, that'll be on the white dot now. That'll be on the white dot. We got a gun following you high into your left. The performer, the Kennard's going to go to the white dot, number 9, or runway 9, clear to land on the numbers, please. Looking good, looking good. Alright, back to land to be a left turn into the grass. If you need a hard service, let me know. Left turn in the grass, so follow the flagman. Nice job. Mooney mile final, runway 9, clear to land, be on the white dot, please. And the performer, you can go beyond the white dot now. The Kennard's down there.
Can we stick to the numbers? We're going to weeks.
Roger, roger. Nice job, Kennard. You can take the next left hard surface there and follow the flagman. And the performer, next left turn there and go to the weeks. Nice job. Inbound to Oshkosh on the Fisker 1800. We'll start your descent when you get closer in and call your sequence. Just make sure you maintain a half-mile spacing on your way in, and we'll call your sequence when you get a bit closer. The grass is rolled smooth now. It'll be a left turn northbound off the runway. If you need a hard service for some reason, let me know. We'll try to get that for you. RV mile final runway 9, be on the white dot, clear to land.
And a performer over the prison inbound.
Performer, Oshkosh Tower, roger, enter midfield, left downwind, runway 9. I'll call your sequence when you get closer.
Midfield left downwind, runway 9.
And the short final will be out. It'll be on the white dot for me. It'll be on the white dot. You're clear to land, Mooney.
Oshkosh Tower, Aztec 500 Lima Charlie with you on the RNAV 9.
500 Lima Charlie, Oshkosh Tower, roger, 3 mile final. You got an RV out there, runway 9, beyond the, actually number 9 on the numbers, clear to land for the RV. Might change to the white dot when you get closer for now for the numbers. And everybody inbound after you land, it'll be a left turn into the grass. It's been rolled smooth, it's right out today. Left turn in the grass, follow the flagman. All right, short final, if you keep it airborne past the white dot for me now, please. And the RV past the white dot now for me too, runway 9, runway 9 past the white dot, clear to land. The VTAL Bonanza, runway 9 on the numbers for now, clear to land. Mooney, turn left hard surface, follow the flagman. And Mooney, no delay off the runway, traffic's coming in behind you. Nice job, nice job. The VTAL Bonanza, past the white dot now, runway 9, clear to land.